If your Worcester Bosch Greenstar has flashing lights or a reset warning, let's run through the most common faults, what they mean, and how to fix them. Ignition lockout means the boiler has failed to light after several tries. Common causes include incorrect gas pressure, combustion CO issues, poor flue condition, faulty ignition electrodes, loose wiring, or a gas valve problem. In rare cases, the control board may need replacing. Flue overheat happens when the heat exchanger gets too hot. This can be caused by a blocked heat exchanger or baffles that have been removed and not refitted correctly. Heat exchanger overheat can be caused by low system pressure, trapped air, a faulty pump, water leaks or blockages, or failed safety thermostats. Low voltage wiring issues and faulty control boards can also trigger this. A flue blockage stops harmful gases from leaving the boiler. This is a serious safety issue and must be inspected by a gas-safe engineer immediately. Here's what you can safely check. Make sure the boiler pressure is around 1.2 bar when cold. Check that radiator valves are open. If it's freezing, ensure the condensate pipe isn't iced over, and press reset once to see if it clears the fault. If the problem returns, stop there. These faults often require professional tools and testing. At BFix, we diagnose and repair Worcester Bosch faults quickly and safely, from ignition problems to flue blockages, keeping your heating and hot water running reliably. If your Worcester Bosch Greenstar has a fault, call BFix on 0208 0584 241 or visit bfix.co.uk. Reliable, local, gas safe.